Want to rename your music files with MusicBrainz Picard? MusicBrainz Picard can automatically rename your audio files using accurate metadata, making your music collection much cleaner and easier to organize. In this guide, I'll show you how to rename music files with MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Files or Add Folder to import the music files you want to rename. You know, importing complete albums usually produces the most accurate results. Next, select the imported files and click Lookup. If the files have incomplete or incorrect metadata, click Scan instead to identify them using their audio fingerprints. This helps MusicBrainz Picard find the correct album and track information. Now open the application settings and make sure the Rename Files option is enabled. You can also customize the file naming pattern if you want your music files to follow a specific format. Yeah, the default naming pattern works well for most music libraries. Once you've confirmed the album information and naming settings, click Save. MusicBrainz Picard will update the metadata and automatically rename the files based on your selected naming format. Finally, open your music folder in File Explorer and confirm that the files have been renamed successfully. You can repeat the same process for additional albums to keep your entire music collection consistently organized. And that's how to rename music files with MusicBrainz Picard. Automatically renaming your music files using accurate metadata makes your library easier to browse, sort, and manage across different devices and media players. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.